ready for the most powerful Android tablet ever. OnePlus just teased the Pad Pro 2, dropping in the US on April 22nd with a 12.1-inch 144Hz OLED and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's trending for its creative tools, and fans are hyped. Stick around to see why this tablet's about to shake up the game. What's good, Tech Squad? Welcome back to GadInsider. OnePlus is turning heads with a teaser for their Pad Pro 2, dubbed the most powerful Android tablet yet, hitting the US in just 5 days, April 22nd. With a 12.1-inch 144Hz OLED, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and pro-grade creative tools, it's blowing up on X. Let's unpack why this tablet's got everyone buzzing. So, what's the deal? The OnePlus Pad Pro 2, likely a rebranded OnePlus Pad 2 Pro or Oppo Pad 4 Pro, is a beast. It rocks a 12.1-inch 3K OLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, 900 nits peak brightness, and Dolby Vision for vibrant, fluid visuals. Think Dune in 4K or silky smooth Genshin Impact at 120 frames per second. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, paired with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, scores over 2.3 million on Antutu, outpacing most 2025 flagships. Its 9,510 mAh battery lasts up to 43 days on standby and charges to 100% in 81 minutes with 67-watt SuperVOOC. The 13MP rear and 8MP front cameras handle crisp video calls and scans, while 6 stereo speakers deliver immersive high-res spatial audio. Running Oxygen OS 15 on Android 15, it's got Open Canvas for seamless multitasking, up to 3 apps in split screen, and creative tools like the OnePlus Stylo 2 for pro-level sketching and note-taking. At a rumored $599, it's a steal against the $799 Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. Why is this trending? OnePlus is calling the Pad Pro 2 the most powerful Android tablet yet, and X users are eating it up with posts like 144Hz OLED and Stylo 2. Take my money! The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 crushes rivals like the Galaxy Tab S9's older chip, making it a gamer's dream with zero lag in Forza Horizon 5. The OLED panel pops with deeper blacks than the LCD on the OnePlus Pad 2, perfect for Netflix or editing an Adobe Fresco. Creative tools shine with the Stylo 2 and smart keyboard. Think low-latency drawing or turning your tablet into a mini laptop with NFC file transfers. At $599, it undercuts premium tablets while matching their power. And the April 22nd US launch has pre-order buzz spiking. This is OnePlus doing what they do best: flagship specs, mid-range price. Alright, let's get you in on this. Picture the Pad Pro 2 in your hands. What's your vibe? Sketching a masterpiece with a Stylo 2? Dominating Call of Duty on that 144Hz OLED? Or multitasking like a boss with Open Canvas? Drop your dream Pad Pro 2 moment in the comments.